Hi, this is the review of Urive Albatross 2 PC Viewer or PC Player. Before I go to review main options here, I want to show you and share some tips and tricks which you won't find in the user manual. So first of all, let's open two files, this file and this file. And let's pause it. First of all, I want to show you, as you can see here, first file show date and time. The second file doesn't show. So why it's so? Let's go back and open those files again. So this was the first file, which shows date and time, and as you can see, it contains numbers. These are not the random numbers. This first line means 2013 10th, so it's October, and 30 it's date, so 30th of October 2013, same as you can see here. Next numbers shows time 12 14 25, 12 hours 40 minutes 25 seconds. The second file here, this is the I changed the file name from original one just for my own convenience, just to see. This is the night city, night highway, so cloudy. So every time you change the original file to something else, you will get this kind of partly random letters, but here I can read night, but still it doesn't show time or date. So how to resolve this? First of all, after you will be doing any changes to original file or renaming it, you have to remember never to erase the original file extension. Just click on the rename file and type in front of original file numbers your chosen whatever name you want to put. So this way, I'm gonna show you. So here I already changed, renamed the original file. It looked like this before. I just added highway in front, and as you can see, I will open it, and let's pause it, and it saves the date and time. So this is the trick which you will not find in the user manual. Second trick is, let's open this file. First of all, of course, I'm going to show you one feature. So this feature here, it changes front and rear camera, so view. So rear camera becomes on the main screens, and this is just swapping. So about this feature, change front and rear screen. Let's pause it. Let's open another file. I will open this file here. So when I play this file here, I click on the screen swap, screen change button here, but as you can see, it doesn't do anything, doesn't swap screen. Why it's so? Let's go back to the file folder. After I rename original file and didn't put the extension here at the end, underscore I2, as you can see here, it's missing. That's why it doesn't show me, doesn't swap or change the screen. So this was, I discovered this just by test and try. So just try to remember, if you change any file, original file, just add underscore I2 or just number 2. So as you can see here, those original files, they have I2. This one doesn't has I2. It's just, again, by test and try, I tried not to put letter I, and it still showed me 2 channels. So I mean, it shows, but it can swap me 2 screens. So as you can see here, let's pause it. So yes, those are the things to remember when you're changing the original file name. Just leave all the numbers and just add your your chosen name. So here you can see 2 copies of same file, just for test purpose. This one doesn't have underscore I2 or 2, and this function screen changes screen doesn't work. And if I open the second file copy where I added underscore 2, you will see that I'm able to swap Windows screen or camera screen, sorry. So those are 2 tips and tricks try to remember. Okay, let's go and analyze what PC Viewer can do. Okay, I opened some files here. So those buttons here, those are standard play, previous scene, play, pause, stop. You can print stop footage. You can do screen capture. Here you can swap pictures. This one here, it shows the G-force graph. Here as well you can see G-force changes. This is the latitude, altitude, miles per hour, and this is the map. You can change the map to the satellite or hybrid map. So those are pretty standard functions. There are few very interesting features here. Let's pause. For example, number plate zoom, many others PC viewers have, but this has a more advanced. Okay, you have to click here. This shows editing license something. Okay, let's play a little bit more. So you click here. Sorry, pause. Click here and let's bring this number plate here. So it's zoomed in now, and there are extra options here to edit. This screen here called plate calibration. So I'm going to show you what kind of options do you have. So you can make it darker, edgy, clear. So in this particular daytime video I don't have to edit anything. I can see clearly number plate, but depending on the day or night time conditions the video was shot, you will be able to get more clear view of the footage by filtering. And here you have premium option where you can adjust brightness, gamma, so chroma, auto brightness, backlight, auto level, sharper noise reduction, blur. So as you can see, quite a lot of options this PC Viewer program gives you to play around with number plates. So because number plate is the most important evidence piece in case of any accidents, so this PC Viewer program give you those options to filter and to bring the number plate if it's shot in any other day or nighttime conditions. So this feature I like a lot. So let's place something else. Next file. So here's the night footage. You can swap picture, camera view, front and rear. It shows me miles. It's written here miles per hour. Yeah, it's not kilometers per hour. And let's see if yeah, it reads number plates at front. As you can see here, I can pause and zoom in. Yeah, I can see number plates. So at the moment maybe slightly bright here, so you can make it darker. So in this footage this plate calibration showed you perfectly how those filtration options can be applied. Let's go to the premium auto brightness. So yeah, you will have plenty of time to play around with the if you will have this kind of device, the Urive Albatross 2. So okay, on the all, and let's see rear camera. I will wait until car gets closer, like this, a little bit more, and surprisingly it's even reads the rear view camera. Okay, darker. Yeah, as you can see here, I can filter and I can see number plate. So in many cases you will be able to see rear car camera number plate shot from rear camera, and in some cases you don't. It's all about the light refraction and overall lighting conditions. So at least in this scenery I'm happy I was able to read number plate. Okay, we have to pause, as you can see from here, and make it darker and read more clear. So okay, let's go to some other footage here, and okay, let's pause it. This feature here, it's a zoom mode. If you click here and you start scrolling mouse, you can bring closer or further. So this is also interesting feature. Let's go and check some other footage. So here you can see some taxi drivers behind my car, and again let's pause and let's try. Now this is the full screen. Yeah, this was the option of the full screen I clicked. The zoom option here, so I can zoom in, but you have to remember, if you zoom in and start playing, it's continue playing in the zoom in position, so you have to zoom out or leave it zoom in. It's up to you how you want to follow the footage. At least it gives you again another nice feature option of to choose what do you need at a particular moment. So yeah, about maps, I told about maps, and okay, let's go now to the settings. Through the settings, I have already inserted micro SD card into my card reader, so here I will be able to do some settings. As you can see here, most of those settings you can also set in the front camera or main unit itself, but few of them you have to do set up on your PC or laptop using PC viewer. For example, voltage cutoff, you can do it in car. This time cutoff also in car. Most of those options also you can do in car. This is the time zone which you have to set in the PC viewer, so it's very important. Again, those are also, and here is a nice feature. This is where you can add your driver name. I just put randomly my car and car number plate here, and I'm gonna show you later where you can use it. At the moment I didn't save previously. This is the first time I'm editing the number plate things. This is the trace of driving record, very nice feature which I like. For example, let's open and let's go to this is the removable L drive. This is the original micro SD card which I opened from took off from the unit, and you can analyze here your driving path, and it shows me today's how much I drove today from point A to point B, all my driving path, my my car name, I put my car, then the reg number, how much was distance covered, how much I draw, stoppage time, average speed, maximum speed. Pretty interesting information here. As you can see, this is the first PC viewer I'm dealing with or reviewing where I can see this kind of feature, so it's really interesting for some people to analyze the journey. And of course you can print here vital data, so this is also something extra you get from Urive product, or a particular Albatross 2. And okay, let's go and check a few other. So this was here motion detection, the automatic parking, auto parking mode, and as you can see here, it's recorded 22nd 19. Okay, somebody was just start reversing and my camera recorded nicely the movement. And the next footage here, okay, let's swap windows and let's try again this zoom function, which I like, of the number plate. So yeah, it captures nicely number plates. I want to find out some highway. I had some highway footage in the dark. Okay, this is the highway footage in the dark. Front camera, as you can see, nice and clear because it's a full HD to 1080p. The rear camera is 720p, but still, as you can see, you will be able to see action, what's behind you, even the car model. And let's see, where is this car? So this car is now here, and I was even able to see the number plate. I'm gonna show you now. So it's slightly blurry, yeah, but still able to see something. Let's go try to filter. Okay, this doesn't help. This brightness here, interestingly, it helps me to bring the I can see car rear door handle, so it's not the important data, but just showing you how much you can play with the settings or filters. Auto brightness, so those doesn't help me now. Sharpen, yeah, with sharpen 04G and the other numbers I can see. So overall I'm happy, it does job. It's all depend of the lighting condition, as I said before, that you can read number plates or not. So it's not always the rule that in this footage I can see number plate, but maybe next time I won't be able. So it's all depending on the light conditions. So what else? I hope I have covered all the functions, main functions of the PC viewer. I know it's been a long review, but I wanted to share everything. I found the tips and tricks and some other options, because it's very hard to find out about them if you just read manual or any other information from internet. Just by playing around yourself, that's the best way. So sorry if video review was a little bit annoying. It's a late night. I'm trying to go sleep now, and hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.